Welcome guys back to another YouTube video, and today we're gonna go fishing with my grandpa on the boat. We're mainly looking for bass, but he's not right now. I don't want to bore you out too much, so let's get into it. Well, we're back with my weird looking grandpa. Isn't that right, Grandpa?
Yes, you are weird.
No?
Funny looking.
YouTube says you're weird.
No, you're funny looking.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to get
Did
nice.
you get all your stuff set up?
Yes, I have everything set up. Crap, I'm trying to get a nice spot to where they can see me. There you go. Y'all can see me now. Y'all can see how handsome I am.
Okay.
Talking for YouTube.
And talk about how ugly you
How
are.
handsome I am, actually. Wish I didn't have to wear this stupid thing, but that's alright.
Funny. See if you can get by that stick over there.
Stick, okay, well, let me roll. Using the same thing, chatterbait yesterday is what they caught that big dog. There we go. Should have got the Google one so that thing blue and white bright. You got stuck? Dang it, I was not paying attention.
No,
I had my thumb off this because I really need my thumb. Like I told y'all yesterday, my drag set to perfect. I was watching him get stuck. I know. I'm used to not having my thumb on, and I was watching you, and when it hit the water, it let some slack come out. You stuck, Grandpa? You need my help?
nope.
Hey, Grandpa, I just want to let you know that sticks aren't fish, okay? You hear me?
Come up towards that bar and come this way.
Okay. Oh, crap. I hit it too hard. That's why I hate overhead casting.
It's all right.
There you go. There we go. Be nice if I caught some. There we go. Look at me, Grandpa. You hear me, Grandpa? Look at me. I feel perfect. Sun's not on me. Look,
Yeah, you look perfect.
I feel
Your
perfect
head's
too.
pointed.
No, you said I look perfect, so don't
No, I
even.
said your head's pointed
No,
too.
you said I look perfect.
You look like an arrowhead.
You are an arrowhead, actually. You may be joking, but I'm not joking. You are an arrowhead.
See that moon up there?
Where?
That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
they're feeding by.
What happened?
That's what they're feeding by.
They can't eat the moon?
No, but they feed by the moon. It's out.
Well, really, they always feed, basically. So if you're a night fishing, you can catch some fish?
If the moon's full, if it's not, you ain't getting it.
That moon ain't full.
No, but what I'm saying is it started out full last week.
Yeah, you definitely an arrowhead. You're from with the ancient stuff. You're probably the one who
No, I
make.
didn't get my hat back.
You're probably the one who make calendars, huh?
I didn't get my hat.
What hat?
The hat I got in, well, I was sitting on.
The sun hat?
It's in the seat.
Look at me. Look at me.
Should be right down there.
Look at me.
Yeah, get my other one in.
There is no other one.
Yes, there is.
No, I got this one from under there.
No, there's another one in there.
Oh crap, Melville. Yeah, I told you there's no other one. I got the other one.
Look back in there. Look back in there.
Grandpa, you
There's
can't
another one.
can't look any farther. Let me check in here. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is. There ain't one back
No,
in there.
you said it was right by the seat. You never
can't
said
put the back in there.
you never said it was in the glove
It ain't
box.
back there because it can't be in there.
You gonna keep talking? I'm gonna keep this one too.
Get that hat, not head. Talk to me, will you?
That's a perfect view. I just gotta get the camera.
Don't have a clue what he's talking
Oh, that's a perfect view right there. There we go. Oh, the people who stayed this far, they got a perfect view now. Where I'm throwing. Oh, I saw something jump right by my bait. Yeah, someone's trying to get it. Someone tried to get it. It pulled it under for a second, and I couldn't get it because it was a small one. I don't even know what that was because I didn't even feel it pull me under. I can't set the hook that fast. My mind doesn't think like everybody else. Could maybe turn the view. That way. Show you where we're fishing at. There we go. You don't have to look at me the whole time. I mean, even though everybody likes to, but that's alright.
Gotta get some big guns out.
Some what?
Since we're so close.
What are you bringing out? What are you bringing out, Grandpa?
Pulling it out.
Pulling
Big
what
gun.
Huh? What's a big gun? Dang, you brought a gun to shoot a fish or something?
That ain't you. That definitely ain't you.
Well, we're back. I got this bait on. Something crazy happened. I told y'all when something crazy happened, I would start the video back up. I mean, other than my bait getting attacked, but I didn't catch it because it's something stupid and small. If it was something big, it would have took this thing and brought me with it. But it was some stupid small little fish. Oh, right there. Oh, they're right there. If I catch a fish right now, I'm giving YouTube full credit for it. I want something crazier to happen, like me catching a fish.
Okay.
Hooks. The one thing I hate about these 3 hook things, the 3 treble hooks, is they all get caught up with each other. But that's alright. Grandpa, are you camera shy? Take that as a yes. Grandpa is camera shy. Gotta switch to top water if this doesn't work out for me. Go to that stump, that big old log over there. We may catch something. You hear me? Cross the lake, cross the little creek. You hear me, Grandpa?
I hear you.
Cross the...
I want to see all this.
Huh?
Before I turn around.
Just wait for something good to happen. There we go. Perfect. I made something else jump too. That's great. Gotta bring my top water out. I'll get like 5 more throws because I love using this right now. There we go. It's 12 feet deep over here. That's pretty good. Grandpa, imagine how deep this place would have been if it was actually filled up. That would have been crazy. These fish aren't biting right now, but I'm about to bring some noise out. one more throw left. Then I'm changing the bait. So, be the lucky throw. Hopefully, this is a lucky throw. Even if I get a bite, I'm still gonna throw this. But it doesn't want me to do it. So we're changing the baits. Back to the chatterbait that I had yesterday. I mean, why not?
Watch your poles. We're headed for that log.
There we go. Did you get some?
I haven't got anything.
Huh. There we go. Put this in my crankbait box. There's a 2-hook long one. Look, see?
Damn, this is deep.
Careful. I got that one. I got a lot of them. Holy crap. What happened?
This is deep.
Holy crap, it's 15 feet. It's a straight drop off from there. And that's why I love Indian mounds.
I can't believe how damn deep it is. Still not have a fish on it. There's one.
Grandpa, it
Honestly,
sucks.
6 foot.
Sucks to suck. There we go. There we go. And it's good. There. Perfect. Time to use a chatterbait, Grandpa.
That's buzz bait.
Or, well, I call it a chatterbait.
Well, that ain't chatterbait, so there's a difference.
There is?
Yes.
This whole time I thought they were literally the same
No.
thing.
That's chatterbait.
Oh.
See the difference?
I have a chatterbait then.
I'm gonna get you some.
No, I have a chatterbait. Well, it's in one of my other tackle boxes. So I know I have it. Okay, well, I have a buzz bait.
Yes, you got a buzz bait.
This whole time I thought it was a chatterbait. We've had this camera on for 9 minutes. Oh gosh, no, gosh, no. Thank you. Whew. No. I still got stuck. Grandpa, go over there. Grandpa, I'm stuck. Oh, you got something? Did you get something?
I had one over there.
Well, you could have told me I was gonna be quiet.
No, you didn't take my picture though. Okay, it's coming.
It is 9 minutes and 53 seconds. Okay, we'll get up there. I'll get you when we get it. We're back. That works. Chatterbait, come on, get to the top. There you go. Or buzzbait.
I gotta make one a worm rod.
What happened?
It's not working.
Let's go to the other cove. The beginning of the cove, I had a fish on my line and you kept moving. I actually have a great idea. Maybe topwater is not the move. Oh crap. Oh, straight in the hole too. Alright. Crap, nope, I'm tied up now. There we go. I'm not the fish. I'm not trying to get hooked up. Where's my pliers at? Can't believe, as a kid I used to hate fishing. Now I love fishing. There we go. Wait, nope. There we go. Put that back in there. Wait, actually, I'm doing. I need that. Getting the Dugan one. Dugan may have a fighting chance. If not, bringing the blue one out. If not that, then I'll bring in the nice. Whatever. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. There. Oof. Keep running in like you got a fish. I'm starting to freak out every time you do that. There we go. Ow, crap. Now, got the Googan bait on. Top water was not doing its thing, so I had to, crap, cross me up.
Hell, I didn't think about you got them Googan baits.
I do. I have trench hogs and everything. Well, what do you need?
Take that lizard off and put one of them Googan baits on there.
What?
Worm.
What should I put on?
A worm.
I don't have a Googan worm.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I have Googan trench hogs.
Is that the worm looking, Senko looking one?
I have Strike King's worms. I also have a brush hog too. Look, see? Watermelon candy brush hogs.
Put that on.
Huh?
Put that on.
Or I got this. Which one? I have green pumpkin, sapphire, or water.
Green pumpkin. Whatever green pumpkin is.
Okay, well it's green pumpkin sapphire. So it has a little bit of blue.
Sapphire. You got.
And this is watermelon candy. Which one? Okay. I have too many rods. It's hard to keep up with. The rod mechanic back here. Taking this off.
Yeah.
KVD Perfect Plastics. There we go. Oh, wait, I need to do one more trick to it. Make it nice.
Well, there's got to be fish in here.
Oh, gosh, that hurt. Be careful, and I can get the rod for you. No, let me get the rod. Move your hand.
I'm looking.
Well, I hope y'all like the view of my grandpa's butt. Pretty nice, right? Where we're at? We're at 8 minutes and 57 seconds.
That ain't. What the hell did I do with you? Quit. What the hell did I do with it? It's not there. Damn, that makes me mad when I do stuff.
What happened?
Well, I can't find what I'm looking for half the time, and I know I got it.
Well, it happens to all of us, so don't even worry. Yeah, someone's biting mine. Something's chewing on mine. Something small then. I pulled, set the hook and I feel it slip off.
Put that in yours.
What just happened? Grandpa, how did you set this thing up? Grandpa, when you set this up, how did you set it up? 'Cause
I got too much line on it, probably.
holy crap, yeah. Dang.
I probably got too much line.
No. Gosh, no. Dang it. Huh. Well, we're cutting that
Too
off.
damn big.
I need to pull the weight up because we have tungsten weight on there. And that is just some expensive stuff.
Some of these is way too damn big.
Dang.
This. What are you gonna put on? Change. I got one in there.
Just throwing the stupid thing caught up. Man, at that. That is the most stupidest thing ever. How did this thing break? Grandpa, you are in front of my camera. Let me turn that thing off. Grandpa, so what do you think about the videoing while
If I
fishing?
keep it out of the trees, I might get it. All right, well, now we're going to try some.
Well, keep it to the in-water.
Hell, I don't need that out. Put that back in, and that gets that out of the way.
Yeah, I definitely can't throw like I used to. Because all the line up in that. I guess line matters now.
Okay. Let's get out of this mess.
Oh crap! I forgot to put the weight on it. You hear me? Forgot to put the weight on it. This is gonna be like an hour movie, just of us. Grandpa, what do you think about YouTube?
What?
So, what do you think about YouTubing right now?
Got what?
About YouTube, about making videos on it. You like the stuff? You think it'd be cool? Huh? Had to get it twerked out, you know what I mean? We're getting out of the cove now. We're moving out.
Yeah, we're gonna move.
Don't go too fast though. I want to fish the cove still. Just want to fish it while we're leaving. Dang. I mean, I'm happy I tied it good, but still it's hard to take out. I thought you had something. Huh?
Not yet.
I have an idea. Grandpa?
I have an idea too.
So I can put some line on my reel. I have a rod that I'm not using because I don't like it anymore. It's giving me nothing but problems. How about we take the line off of this rod and put it on this rod? Grandpa, that's what I'm gonna do.
What the Sam hell did you do?
Who?
Okay, that's a slim too. I got two slims on.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I could tie a hook on, but I can't tie line to line. Here, take this, Grandpa. While you're fishing, I'm sorry, but I need some help. I know you know how to tie line to line because you used to do it all the time, right? Could you tie this line to that line? Because this one, I don't even like this reel. I'm putting it in retirement and I need some line. I forget, so. That was a pretty smart idea. You hear me?
You think so?
Yeah, because I'm not using this reel. I hate it. Backlash me 20 times. With the lowest gear I got to possibly go, it's still backlashes. That's hard to see it. What are you doing? No, what? There you go. Wait a minute, guys. My grandpa's pulling witchcraft over here. I like the reel, I just don't like the rod. I mean, I like the rod, I don't like the reel. Did you get it?
Wait a minute. Got pretty real tight. Yeah, I would never be able to tie a knot like that. That is the most weirdest knot I've ever saw. Alright, where's your deer cutters?
And I could just bite them.
This ain't pretty, but it'll do
Do
for
I bite
now.
both? Do I bite both of these ends off?
Close. That's what I do. What not like to.
I thought we were leaving the cove. We're staying in
Well,
it.
as soon as I get turned around.
There we go. Got line to line now. That line to that line. Now we reel in. Not too much though. Oh yeah, I gotta press the button on it again. Probably smart if I press the button. This line is about to backlash, I already know. There we go. Got it now. Oh yeah, I gotta. Taking line from line. Taking line from a reel. We got another knot now.
button.